Digital product industry has said to have exploded in 2020 during lockdown. It is now said to be $1 billion industry and growing. And this is the reason why you, yes, you watching me now, should be creating your own digital product. On today's episode, I'm going to be talking everything digital product, how to create it, how to do your research and everything, all that juicy good stuff. So stay tuned and do check out my offer, the Digital Product Secrets Pack, that will be linked in the description box so that you can actually start creating your product. So, on that note, I'll jump straight into the video. I'm Tanya. I'm a marketing strategist, a copywriter, and a business coach based in Johannesburg, South Africa. And I help entrepreneurs and personal brands like you grow their brands on social media and online and use online marketing strategies to make money. So, right into it, let's go. Please excuse the noise outside. It seems that they are cutting class and I am I have waited and waited to do this video. Oh my god. Alright, so I just posted it now. So welcome to today's presentation and definitely definitely I hope you enjoyed and that it's something that you plan to implement in your business, in your brand. So first of all, I am Tanya. I'm a business strategist. I'm a marketing strategist. I'm a business coach, and I'm a copywriter. So on that note, let's get straight into this video so that I don't waste your time. So do you remember Kim Kardashian game? I don't know if it's still around, but if you remember, that is a digital product. I think Black China a couple of years ago launched. She launched emojis. Those are that is also a digital product. That software that you have on your laptop, that whether it is your editing software, whether it is your antivirus, that is a digital product. So in essence, a digital product is a product that lives online. It's you cannot get it physically, it lives there. That Kindle romance book that you got to pass your time on your way on a flight, on a long flight, that is a digital product. So now that we have that understood, I think we can understand that a digital product is usually in the form of a downloadable or an information product, which will be your online courses, your memberships, and your ebooks. And you also have wallpapers, wall prints, you have your graphic prints, you have your workbooks, your templates. Those are usually digital products. They live on the internet, you create it once, and you can resell it numerous times. So let's get on the next one. Why should you create a digital product? I think this one speaks for itself. It is a lucrative business. It is a great way to scale your business without working long hours because at the end of the day, you only have so much hours to trade. And if you're working in order to make that 100,000 months, that $100,000 month, well, you might need to find ways to scale where you don't have to trade time for money. So this is usually the best way to do this with digital products. So it is obviously lucrative. You do not have to worry about storage space when you produce a product because at the end of the day, it is just there on the cloud. You can just save it on your OneDrive. You can save it on your Google Drive, and whenever somebody purchases it, they can immediately download it. So it's not exactly too much of a hassle. And if it's an online course, there are a number of platforms of LMS platforms that can help you manage your digital product. So it is easy to produce usually. Like here, I'm recording these slides on Canva, which is Canva. I'm actually using Canva, the free version, which is a platform as well where you can record your courses, you can record, create your workbooks, create your template. So basically, you already probably have everything that you need. You need your laptop, you need an idea, you need the software you have on your phone, and you have it. It is a digital. You are able to produce a digital product that the market will love. The thing is, for online, there are numerous people constantly looking for information. How many times have you, let me know in the comments down below, how many times you have thought of something and you have gone on Google to look for information? I do it all the time. I even think that Google is tired of me, to be honest, because I am constantly on Google trying to find answers to the most ridiculous thing. So this is why I think I'm contributing to the 56,000 searches per second, because everything I think of, I go to Google. And I'm pretty sure. Tell me if you don't do it, but I'm pretty sure you do it. That anytime you think of something and you need an answer for something and you're looking for something, you go to Google. So this is why digital products are perfect, because they live online, they live on the internet. Whenever somebody can search for it, and if you have optimized your offer will show up and they can buy it. I can hear you saying, but Tanya, why would somebody pay for something that they can get for free? I mean, there's a ton of free information all over the internet. Well, there is free information, but if there's something you can't get back, is your time. Time is money. And a lot of people don't have the time to go around browsing the internet for days to find a solution. Most of the time, people that are seriously looking for solution want something that has all the information has been condensed into one thing so that I can learn everything. Because how many times have you looked for something? Tell me in the comments below. You get hits and hits, tons and tons of hits. Do you go through all of them? No. Obviously, you might miss the valuable information from the others because you keep going through, trying to sift through what is important and what is not, and you eventually get overwhelmed and tired. I think that happens to me all the time, and it could happen to you. And on another note, for templates, I don't want to have to do everything on my own from scratch. I admit to buying templates of workbooks for my business so that I don't have to do everything from scratch because we are busy. We are busy, and if you can save yourself time while getting a digital product is the solution, and it. So this is why it's perfect, because it is a great way to answer the needs of the people. Now, let's talk about how do you create a digital product. Of course, you could create any product that you want, but one of the things I would say, I even say it all the time, is that go pick a niche. Remember the famous phrase, jack of all trades, master of none? Well, it definitely applies in the online space. You want to be able to be known for something, create authority in a niche, because then people know, like, and trust you. And if they know and like and trust you, they buy what you are selling because they believe in your brand, they believe in what you're doing. So it's important to create your niche so you are able to monetize it with a digital product. So pick a niche. I don't want you to worry about the fact that you think, no, Tanya, but it is overcrowded. This field is overcrowded. And there's too many people. How am I going to distinguish myself from all the others? Trust me, there's always somebody out there doing the exact same thing that you're doing. Like, nobody is you. Nobody has a similar message as you, and nobody has a similar brand as you. So it's just important to show up as you, be authentic to your brand. And trust me, people that are gonna like you are gonna be for you. So don't worry about that. Then the next thing I want you to do is research. Think about it. Like, go on the forums for your niche, whether it is on Quora, whether it is on Reddit, whether it is on Facebook. There's a ton of places where you can definitely get information. Find out what are the questions being asked around your niche. Let's say if you are like me, you teach people how to monetize their time on social media, how to make money online, and all that good stuff, and how to leverage their internet marketing to make money. Well, I would go on all this platform and find out what are people asking around what I possibly could offer, and look at how many times that is a hit. How many times people are searching for those questions? How many times people are asking it? Because the more you see people asking for the same, asking for the same thing, it means that they require a solution for that. So once you have done that, that is definitely, it gives you direction as to where you should focus and obviously what you should create. Then after your research, create. Don't get stuck in perfectionism. Please don't get stuck in perfectionism. That is actually the thief of your business, because the more you get stuck in perfectionism, you will not put whatever you have to offer out there. You cannot sell a product if you have not created it, or you have not put an offer. You can sell a product if you've not created it, but at least put an offer out there. That is for courses. And even artists, I know I'm talking a lot about the information industry because obviously I am in the information industry, but even for your artists, your graphic designers, you can create templates and put it in places that people can buy those. I think Shutterstock is one of them, where you actually create graphic work and people can buy your graphics to use for their own brand. So that's for graphic designers. For artists, let's say you are an artist, a painter, you can create prints. You can take pictures of your art and start selling it as prints, affordable prints, so that people can buy it, because not everybody can afford to buy an original painting. So somebody wants to decorate the house, they don't want to spend thousands and thousands in a piece, and yet they can buy a print, frame it, and put it in the house, and you still make money from that. So that is for artists. That even for musicians. For a musician, you can create music and put it on like symphonies or music like that, and put it on services, membership services, where they can pay to use your music on the videos. Then you have obviously my software engineers. You can develop apps related to businesses or games and put it on spaces such as app stores to sell. So there is so much that you could do that you shouldn't limit yourself. Of course, now I couldn't speak about digital product without speaking about this. I have a product called the Digital Product Secrets Pack. It's $29. The link will be in the description box. It is a wonderful product. On it, I have put a wonderful offer. I teach you. There's a copywriter's handbook in the pack. There is online business strategies. There is content marketing 101, social media boost, 5 steps. I have the 5 steps to creating a digital product, and of course, I have your digital product secrets, the book on how to go about everything else. So this is definitely, I've taken my coaching program, condensed it into a few books so that I can help you, because I know there are a lot of people that would love to create products but cannot afford courses or coaching. So this is an offer that is fantastic if you're just starting out and you want to get into the digital product space, but you might not have the finances to buy an actual course. This is fantastic for you. So now, how do you sell your digital product? You can create an online store, link it to your website, link it to your social media, and boom, start making the sales. This is great if you already have an audience that follows you, and that will be easier for you to convert them. You can also create PPC campaigns, which is your pay-per-click campaigns on YouTube, on Facebook, and drive that traffic to a sales page, and obviously they ask us so that they can buy. So if you don't know what is a sales page is a standalone website that gives a promotional material about your product, telling them about whatever you're selling, how to benefit them so that they can buy. So if you don't, it's usually written by copywriters, i.e. me. So if you can afford to get a copywriter, usually that's why I've also included a book in the digital product secret pack so that you can actually learn how to create your own sales material so you don't have to hire a copywriter, because obviously if you don't know, we do charge you per number of words that we create. So get your hands into the digital product secrets pack. Teaches you how to create your own sales page. I think I've included a start file there on how to on example of a sales page so that you're able to recreate that. So another one is, of course, enlist the help of affiliates. Affiliates are people that you borrow their audiences. They promote your product to their own audiences, and if they buy, you pay them a commission. So it's usually also a great way to make sales. You can create a blog or a YouTube channel like I have, speak about the product, share information about the product that you have, how it benefits people, and obviously that also can sift through sales to you. If it's not an information product, you could look at places such as Southside, look at places such as Etsy to sell your good. And for apps, AppSumo is a great apps and games. AppSumo, Play Stores, iStore, all those ones are definitely a great way to go. So I have covered everything I needed to cover. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment down below, and I'll try to address it. I always try to reply to comments. And also, if you would like me to cover anything else, please let me know, and I definitely will cover it for you. Please follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel. I plan to share a ton of content. Subscribe to the channel. So follow me on social media, on Instagram. All the links will be in the description box. I share a ton of valuable content on there as well. Join my Facebook group. I do live trainings on there. So if you want to know a few things about online marketing, digital marketing, and how to make money online, definitely join the group. It's so valuable. I share a ton of daily and weekly training. So I hope I'll definitely receive you there, and I'll catch up with you there. So please let me know what you thought of the video. Give me those thumbs up so that it encourages me to continue creating content on here. And definitely check out all the freebies I have linked down below, so that you can actually start on your journey of an online business. Thank you so much. And on this note, I'll say bye and see you next week.